These days, we are all about convenience. And our next guest says that in dentistry, patients want to have their teeth fixed and looking beautiful in the same day. Here to tell us more are Dr. Cindy Brayer and registered dental hygienist Tiffany Feger with Creating Smiles Dental. Ladies, thank you for being here. We appreciate having you again.
Well, thanks for having us.
So, Tiffany, as a dental hygienist, what are some of the same-day procedures you can administer for patients?
So as a dental hygienist, besides just the regular x-rays and photos and giving you hope and information on everything that we can do for you, a lot of people want a cleaning the first day, and we can do that for you because removing stain on your teeth is like an instant mini makeover, and patients love that. I have a couple who come in every month to see me for a fresh smile, and we can even do whitening right after your cleaning.
I love having a cleaning. I just feel like I'm refreshed, you know what I mean? I reloaded the page. I look better already, so I totally agree. And now, Dr. Brayer, what are some of the procedures that you can administer on the dental side as the doctor?
So there are many different things we can do for patients for same-day results, and it depends on what their situation is. So let's say if you broke your front tooth, as this patient did, you know, they're biting into a bacon sandwich. They call us, we come, you know, they come in right away, and we're able to just bond their tooth and give them, you know, their tooth back, basically. If someone's missing a front tooth, then there's several ways we can fix that. And in this case, this patient wanted to do a bridge, and so we made a temporary bridge for them, and so they're able to smile right away. If someone wants, like, let's say an implant, or they're looking for some other procedure that's not a bridge, then we're able to make it's called an Essex appliance, and it's kind of like an Invisalign retainer, and we put some composite in there, and you can see the results. It looks like you have your natural teeth, but you just can't bite on things as much with it. If you want to be able to bite, you know, with wearing it, then we make a flipper, which this patient, you see the bottom front teeth are missing, and we make the flipper within a couple of hours of them because we have an office lab. And if patients have their teeth and they're wanting a same-day smile makeover, then we're able to do Componeers. And in this patient, you can see he didn't like the shape of his front teeth, so we made 4 front Componeers for him, and he was, you know, within a few hours. Another patient here also, you know, had missing, had spacing, and the shapes weren't, you know, ideally what he wanted, and so we also made Componeers for him in the same day. And this third patient didn't like the tetracycline staining on her teeth, and so we placed, I think, 10 Componeers for her, and now she's, you know, really happy with her results.
Well, you mentioned the lab, which is something that you really don't often see, that you have an in-office lab. What kind of convenience does that bring for your patients?
That is huge because patients who have dentures and they want to, let's say if they have a tooth that broke off their denture, then we're able to just literally fix it within a couple of hours for them, and they are so thankful we're able to do that for them. Yeah. Yeah,
you just don't see that a lot. It's such a perk to have that at your office. And Tiffany, what do you say to people watching who are saying, well, you can't really do everything in a day, but it seems like you guys find a way?
Well, I'm glad you asked this because you're right. We can't do everything in a day. There's a lot of things we can do literally the same day with all of our technology and lab and everything, but the health of your mouth is never compromised. Dr. Brayer takes such detail, making sure that everything with your smile is going to be healthy for life. And so some things that we could do would be to make sure that we have an impact right away and then move through it with the phases. So you have a good impact initially, and then we move through everything in a timely manner. So Invisalign, for example, is one thing that we can do. It takes a lot of detail, what you want to move and what you can't move, but we can do it within 6 months. So from when you see me, before your next cleaning, it can be already done and perfect teeth within 6 months.
And that's what you want to hear from your dentist. Tiffany, Dr. Brayer, thanks for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
And everybody, for more information, you can visit creating-smiles.com, or you can call one of their 2 locations in St. Petersburg or Clearwater. Daytime will be right back.